Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Ban penmi nagbenta kejing rakhe ye kejing dapsan pausnam kablas dang hakalai poetre kurusau arajar pausau ye kabon sepen kod hausnam arajar pausan Compling Sports Club kelapen long ye sales of walk de kejing shimbenta ji kena school prepare kiblabo ye dukan bam dukan jan ba kiwe kejing dia jing thet hakane kesngi ye ke sales of walk la play pat baru chief executive member juga Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba penyat sing cm ublalong kumukong san ringkat kejindan lang jorang ba snong umpling uba sf pingro kinoyalam be khot jeng seng long kemi umpling lambe kiwe keblacha khot ngau pha uba penyat habakran hagan kesngi kumukong san ula pentep bu menteri rang ba ka jilla ukon ra kongkal sangma ula kular ban ai jingyarap sanlak tingka nega Chief Minister Special Grant Scheme kena bako Umpling Sports Club kan dupla ban penlong ia kan jing rakhe ya ke jubli siar ke job
See the Umpling Sport Club, they don't want to boast themselves so much, but I'll tell a little bit of that. Intention, or they have always had the faith that they should be able to start on their own rather to be a beggar for every activity which they have. We understand that the Umpling Sport Club will have various items, various programs in the coming years. And all the school, I'm sure, they'll get a chance to participate. Today is enjoyable. The next program will be some of the school. We have 5 high school, 2 higher secondary school, and 2 primary school, I can say, middle school. And I wish all the school will get the chance to perform, to show their talents in other activities, other programs of the sport club. I would like to extend my sincere welcome also. I've seen many parents have come. With pride, they have come here. I welcome you all to this function today. And most of the children have raised their hands to you. And I think you must be very proud, one of the proud parents you have seen your children perform here. We have got, today is a sales of works program. We have got various shops here, stalls rather, various activities for the children to play, and also the works which the member or the well-wisher, the supporters of the Umpling Sport Club have participated on their own, so that the Umpling Sport Club can raise fund from this program. And this morning we have come here maybe in the afternoon during the lunch time. All the schools of Umpling would be here to have lunch here. Beautiful food is being prepared. The talented cooks are here, and the special games are there for you to enjoy. At this time, I wouldn't like to take much of your time. I wish the Umpling Sport Club all the best, and the Dharmashanam will be there with you for all your needs, and we will be there with you hand in hand.
Kemen ban GE ban tip ba haka sports club function jongki shnong GE ba ki adon lang nagi school ne habok shnong katno kalong kajing kemen namar pi day ban tip le si ke ka function ye jing trekam jongki nagi sports club de kaso ban ai ka jing kumplay congratulations ya ka Umpling Sports Club ka ba dangshen kelayo ban poi hadu ka final jong ka Shillong Sports Association ketika event ka long habok polo ground ya ka ba kila poi hadu final rekip shimla job par final wala kata kala dei ka burom ya ka Umbling Sports Club ya ka Shnong ka ba kalapoi haduk ka ka level but Kermens Camp padang ni khmat kinang pentebet shishu iladi but menta kila kio shaka second division haka SSA event te kublishi bon yaki coach yaki nomirap joka club kibla penwandur plus sandur yaka rukom yelekai joki yakini ki players joka club bakin penpaunam yaka Shnong Umbling kum kawai naka club Shnong la banong tenolor kata naso banong baka sports club hapo Shnong kadon ya kabenta leni ka rule ka ba crowd haban bantay leni banot senang hakaban penha ban penwandur ya ke imlang kesalang ngaspa ai ban keren kendiat HPD kani ka program ka idea jong kani program kalong ka ba sultanat ki host ki mut ban penlong ya kani ka year long program jong ka Umbling Sports Club ban celebrate ka Golden Jubilee omtang daka ban shu yo jingirap nang ni nang tai reku mengilai so menen nadu basdang ki sedang ban yang halaka jong ka kejat let's say la banong ban sedang ni kani ka sales of work ban yo ban raise fund nak ka kani ka event kani di ka idea ka ba so tenat ba ya ka ba ni hab ban yaro ya kani but ngai iba dan kam shisha ba ngin support kum kinong shoshnong lani kum ki reushime ya kani ka jingtmu jok club nadu mentasni haba ki penlong ya kani ka sales of work the next camp bakani ka jing penlong ya kani sales of work penlong ka ba job bakin la ban raise ya ka fund nak ka kani ka event but ka jing bentai jom ki sports club bandan hapo Shnong lada kita ki ba function bah kum ko Umbling Sports Club bon bah ki activities nila ban penlong na sports club kidon ki fun namta ki awareness program na po DC office ki bala ban sanction ki sports club ki bala register namar ba what ikani ka yes Meghalaya ka bala launch na ka liang jong chief minister hapo ka government bamenta ban yarap yaki sports club ba kinla ban pentulun yaki kam HPD kinu ki jitmu jongki hoi ni sutu kamde ka basuk financially kidan kam ka support na government reeling ba kini ki flagship program kum ka yes Meghalaya kidan ki weiru ki program na po district sports officer but na DC office ban organize ki awareness program na asno ba kidan kam ban kringi ki samla ki juni hapo Shnong khatam la dengi phai menta kajing ya lan le se la banong babun ha ki samla na bakim yo eka awareness ka babiang teng wat ye ki kam ki jam ki baki de bantrei ru sikinam tip ke ka baki trei career guidance counseling dan kam ha po Shnong namar ba ngi la dengi kwa baka Shnong kan long healthy kan long financially sound la banong kum ka Shnong berkawai ngidon kam iki individual ban empower iki bakin tray kam hoi nim ong bakin yo kam sarkar ru barot hindai da ni tray kano ka kam ru ngin hab ban tray nadu ensim tray da ka jing sutu bat da ka jing shampan na shuai nu sa menta wat tang ban kamai taksi ru bun sien ni ki kena samla jungi ngam ong barot dekat tu gani ki kamai kamkai ya ka jing kamai ni jumki teng ngai I hapo nanti hapo kistan ki babon ki sya shongkai tu dai I passenger unju ya kentiu up ban yo da ka dor ka bahe te bat ndai tang ta teng ki ba ki driver ki la le ban pan ya ka kali napo ki try jumki Hendrai ki ai kamai pateng hakiwei yala dia pat ki ya dakinu ki kam belum kam kai akum kita akan lapan penkentiu ka Shnong ka jongi debat sekiwi kami ki kam jingtrei let's say kinu ki kamru akum ka jingtrei belas ni bat kiwei ki bapun bha ka demand namta ka labor hapo Meghalaya kala kiu bha namar bakani ka budget namta ka construction work kelak kiu hamanta kamtam yiki construction yiki roads buildings baki office repair ba buon bah ki bawan ki debit ki manabar namar ba ki jongi ki shitom ban lek ban tre rewat la ki yo ka dor ko baheru dengan aso ban ong ba kala de ka pol sewat ka sports club nalor ki sporting activities ki ba ki hab ban promote ngaso ngin hab ban shimkya ban kring ki samla ko shnong ba ni dan kam ban I mean see meki ni dan kam ban encourage ki bakin tray ya kanono ka kamru ka ba wan ha ko kishnong lene haki chaka ki jungi lene ka state ki jungi lem kumta ngin sa dien hadu kata de kani ga jing ni kran chipang ka unemployment bunsin ni perkhatang ya ka unemployment ha ka government sector dangi phai pat ha ka bai de pat ki private sector pat ni I babun pha ka demand nam ta ka kam ka don re ki brir jungi kim tray pat kata dengan tentu ya ke sports club ba nalor ki sporting activities ki ba hidon ban promote ki samla persyang si ki bam dan pat ha ka sports ngin yo ban pledging mod ki ha ki bewe ki kamru dengan sultanat apa opening sports club ba ki dan bun ki samla ru ki ba la yo ban wanra ki medals ki ba pair ha ki events ba pair ha ka state ha ka district level ba ha ka national level ru kamtam ka shooting ka basketball bat ki ki indoor games bat ki outdoor games sim snap ni la yo nadu menta shi snam tam ka por bangi long MLA ni la penyo e ka sanction nam ta ban shnai ketika mini stadium hangte hapo madan mau arling te hendre ngadayat nam te pat nai ka suki bah ka kam dengan syukur tu le se ka sports club ma ira ba shnong ni ya trailer ban ya boot game ba ketika kam kan long ka bayai step kenang ba ka jingmentoi ya ki samla ba ki shnong kan long ka ba piang namar ba lada kan suki ketika kam let's say kan shimpor ba bandep se kan long ka jingdu nong ya ki nong shnong debat hante ni kala don ka proposal na ka sports club ba ketu ka jaka ka ba like ngin propose no da ke indoor multi purpose hall ya ka ban la ban penlong ki event ku ki indoor ki ba pair haka sporting activities ba kini ki samla ki ba sultanat ban ya kai kinu ki activities ki la ban shimenta te kaniru kadang ngala push ba apa government ban convince ya chief minister ban government ban la ban ai sanction sai kate knang ba ko umpling kan long ka wei na ka shnong hakan ni ka thai ni jungi ban de ka shnong ka bala piang ya kini ki sports infrastructure de sokomen bandan lang mentarasngi hande sai sien ko mga penpau bat ngawara ku kajing ai kumplay ni chief minister menela yo banya keren ban irang ba shnong ru habide kani ka golden jubilee celebration la ai kumplay na kaliang I Sir Conrad K Sangma bat na kaliang jung iru ila ong ban ajing rap na ka chief minister special grant na kabuta kani ki event baru aksisnam year long program kabulong 5 lakhs sangat tingkat dan kabuta kani namba kila penlong ya buat haki program mga soba let's say what pendala sedang dengan program ru let's say kat netali ki school ki don nadu ka Presbyterian Secondary School St. Rose nata Hubert ni don ni ka school Joyville ni don Laway but ni don kiwe ki school ru ahni ki ba lapau ha na soba ni nation mentalang ba kini ka event ke bala long da ka sports club ba kan long ka ba job
ke jing ra ke jing dam santos nem ko mangalom ka jing khlei ka ba kham kat pang ka lei kham tam ya kini ki nomor wai kala long te te yang ki ya ta bala bon sta ki jing keren tek pat tak sebab singap tu kan ada ka jing yang thap ti kermen ba hakane ke jing petre jungi kani ka program ka ba dak pernah ba ka untuk sports club ba ka football ka kiu second division mereka klub ka apa itu ubaya ini bersimenta shooting karate basketball tinggi kermen ba ini di program event ke bangin sepelem in senang ibu bagi